Thank you for watching, thank you for coming back. Today I'm gonna create this look here for you guys. This is my go-to spring look. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and come back again. So beautiful people, the first thing I like to do is moisturize my face. I have to moisturize my face. So I usually use the Q&V cream or Eucerin cream, but today I'm going to use the Q&V cream. This cream is not for oily skin. If you have oily skin, please do not use this cream. If you have normal to combination or dry skin, yes, it's very good for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit, because you don't need much, like tiny bit of the cream. I'm gonna just put this all over my face to moisturize my face. I like my face very moisturized. After I put my cream, I like to use my other cream, which is for pores, like to minimize my pores. So I'm gonna use the Deoderma Pore Refiner. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. So I just put a little bit of this cream on the area that I have large pores. Your skin will look so matte and nice. So my skin is normal to combination, so usually I use really matte primer. So one of my favorite primer from the drugstore is the Revlon Photo-ready primer. I usually use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Correct. So guys, I am using Sephora and L'Oreal foundation. I am going to prime my eyelid using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. To set my eyelid, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. So I'm going to use the Girl with Attitude from London eyeshadow palette. This was like $3.99 and the color are amazing, guys. I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to use this blush palette. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. line like that first, and then I start filling it out from the top. After I fill everything in the way I want, I go back with my liquid eyeliner from Dazzle Fine Eyeliner. So voila, this is how I do it. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer to do my under eyes. This is the medium dark. So I'm using the Nip+Fab foundation in 55 dark mixer. So I'm gonna use that to do my contour. So I'm gonna use the Revolution Banana powder to set my face. Guys, I'm going to use my black pencil to line my waterline. So this is the Maybelline Volume Mascara. So everything is on place. Right now I am going to do my lips, so I am going to use the black pencil to line my lips. So this is the Technic Get Gorgeous highlighter in gold. I'm gonna highlight my face. Ooh, I love this. Guys, this is the final result. This is my go-to spring look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment if you have a time, and come back again. I'll see you soon.